Can we have our...
Yes.
Last.
Dangerous statement.
Final sentence.
Dangerous statement.
I think Darshan's mom is waiting for a long time.
Final statement.
Yes, no, you will do it.
Now see, what danger will say? Come on,
Sir,
come on. Yeah. Wait.
the same length. The knife
Yes,
was.
knife.
நீ அவனை பேச வைக்கீங்க தான்
And I hide the weapon over here. In the neck. You see, when I take the weapon out, the spirit could have killed him. But that's not my ambition. And that's not my motive. You need to understand that. He is the target.
What target?
What did I do? Wait.
Yeah.
What did I do? I was standing right here. I was acting as his friend. Everyone left. We both were here. What did I do? That's the question. 3 times. Cleaned the blood. Took the weapon with me. But you see, I gave it to one tailor named Krishwani. That Krishwani has stitched in my pocket with the hole. So I think when I keep that weapon in my pocket, it fell down. So there's nothing in my hand. This is the fault. Wait, this is the fault of tailor, not me. Prachi gave me the order to do this. I did that for 2 crores.
Krishwani is also arrested.
Yeah, please do that. I will pay whatever you want. And you may take that itself.
She is arrested.
See, 200 billion when everyone take it. I don't
So
care.
have you made a confession, Mr. Jack?
You did.
Jack.
Yeah.
Danger.
Have you made the confession?
Yeah.
Your Honor, I swear on Lord Ganesha that I don't know
Me?
whatever. No, wait. I ordered her to carry out the theft. I accept. Actually, what happened was we had a loan of 10 crores and I didn't have any cash, any liquid cash at that time. So I just wanted her to steal some money from the house, and that's what I ordered her to do. I didn't know what this guy did and what this guy did.
Your sister ordered me.
So, Your Honor, bunch of confessions made by all of us.
Sir, so why
Only 1 year, right? For me.
we confessed everything we did, so I please request you to reduce
Leave us.
Now,
reduce
as a
punishments.
defense lawyer, as a lawyer of Mr. Surendra's family, I would like to ask you to remain silent until the four are making their mind up.
Sorry, I did for 2 crores. Okay. I had 198 billion to make.
No. Don't worry. Ritan Nitish has already been taken care of. He's not going to die as you are desiring, okay? So medical treatment has already
So whether died now.
Yes, sir.
As the evidence is given by
This is right.
as the evidence is given by the defense lawyer, Pocket Pondy is the one who has food poison.
I'm a food poison. No poison.
No poison is the
Explosive
Please keep all the documents over there.
Hello, Pandi. Pandi, one thing that you always used to do with Jenna, what is that?
Like this.
Please, always, Mr. Jack, please.
Go to jail now, go.
Yeah, it is what.
Final.
கடைசியில் ஓராட்டி மட்டும் இல்லை அவன் பேசணும்
Decision.
நீ எல்லா இதில் கன்ஃபியூஷன் சொல்லி முடிச்சோன்னு கரெக்டாக 2 நிமிஷம் டைம் தரேன் நீங்கள் எல்லாம் என்ன ஆக்ட் பண்ணுங்க
Okay.
Go with me.
So, since the case was among all this evidence that we got, and the decision is that
Prachi.
Prachi
Kalpitashi.
and Kalpitashi should have 2 years of imprisonment.
2 years until the day. Until the day.
ஏண்டா 10 கோடி ரூபாய் ஜுவல் எடுத்து 2 வருஷம்
செத்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you. Yes.
நீ சொல்ற
2 years after the day. Sorry.
2 years after the election.
Miss Prachi, you're going to get what is deserved. Justice Chakravarti himself will do it. Sir.
Constitution of India.
Indian Penal Code.
Indian Penal Code. The Prachi was giving the idea for the murder, and Kalpita Sri was helping them out for the theft. So Kalpita will be punishing as till her death, she will be in the jail, and her phone
And
is
her position, the
Position will
designation
be-
as the Assistant Commissioner of Police, crime branch has to be snatched.
No, she'll continue in jail. What?
and for Prachi, the hang up.
No, no.
The hang up.
Hanging up, wait, hang up, what hanging up this?
Wait.
Let's.
Chief Justice, what's punishment for
Chief
this?
Justice Prachi also will be.
That's the Chief Justice that's speaking.
I am asking punishment. What is punishment for this?
Chocolate cake.
Sir, 20 citizens or 30 citizens, I shouldn't go.
This is why he's so innocent, my friend.
Finish. Let him feed
Okay, sir.
me.
Prachi also will be till the death. She will be in the jail.
Thank you.
Life imprisonment for both of them.
Life imprisonment, and now Mr. Edwin is going to say the state.
So, so
Hey, I'm a best.
that is deceit.
என்ன டிசைட்?
Discussion.
ஆமா நீ நல்லா டிசைட் பண்ணு. 1500 அவ்வளவு கட்டிட்டு போங்கன்னு சொன்னேன்.
1,500 fine.
Since Danger is the only person who Danger is the person who actually murdered Mr. Surender. That to premeditated murder, not a passion killing or something which was planned, it was executed perfectly. He mentioned that he hid them in his old socks and everything. So due to the horrendous act of taking something out of his sock and stabbing someone with it, we imprisoned him to death by hanging.
What do you say, Mr. Danger? Now, roll up your sleeves and show the
What is
bicycle.
punishment for
Was
this?
out
In
from
10 days, the man was going to die. He just eased his pain. And for that, they are killing
Sir,
him.
sir, Justin, sir.
Your Honor, may I know the condition of Jaglani? What is it?
every week there are 143 hours in a week.
Yes.
Out of which 70 hours he has to do community work for the people. All of his
What?
net worth will be taken away, all of
No.
his properties will be seized,
Put
his
me
bank
in jail.
accounts
Put me in
frozen,
jail.
Put me in
and he
jail,
will be
please.
sweeping the roads for the rest of his
Put me in
life.
jail. Put me in jail. Life will be-
I will kill you, go.
Hello.
Mr. Tilak, can you repeat the punishment of Pandi? Because he is willing to know.
My last wish. My last wish.
That when we will hang you, will come to you, go.
My last wish. Nice.
Sir,
You are going to work for the.
Last wish.
You are going to. You are going to work for the people who are working for you.
Like he told-
You are
told
going to be
people.
sweeping the.
Hey, that's why he told her to.
பாண்டியோடைய பனிஷ்மெண்ட்
So
சொல்றேன்
you need to.
இல்லடா பாண்டியோட பனிஷ்மெண்ட்
You-
லேம்ப் ஆயில் ஹெட் சொல்றேன்
You will also get the hanging punishment, and you are going to get the hanging punishment because you get no person to return.
Okay, so that is
Hanging punishment. It's
Sir,
people
parking
taking-
பண்ணலாம்.
Officer Kevin, take care of him.
சரி, parking பண்ணலாம்.
Their last wish.
You come.
Their last wish.
Hey, sorry. After that 70 years, he'll take care.
Temple.
Defense lawyer.
Nice phone.
You blind.
You come here, you come. Danger, you come. Danger, you come.
Last but not the least, please, now, as a token of respect, Danger comes and gives the handshake to Justice Justin, and he immediately pulls him over and tries to murder him, and Kevin Raj shoots
Sit
him.
down, yeah.
Lawrence of the
Danger, please don't murder anyone else, please.
So the last wish.
Don't kill anyone.
போய் எப்படி ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு சவுண்ட் மாதிரி இருக்கும் உடனே
My last wish.
வாடா ஏதோ ஒரு கன் எடுத்து
What is it?
இது அவன் கன் விட்டு
So
The last, the final sequence, the bottom line sequence, and we are done with it. So he gives the handshake and he spirals around and tries to put the knife on the neck, but Officer Kevin Raj shoots him into the head. Yes, it does not happen in a court, but in MS evening sessions, court.
Don't kill anyone. Please. Don't even try to
This
kill.
is the last wish.
Thank you so much for supporting.
Thank you so much. He killed a person without my knowledge.
Last chief told me kill so I did.
I didn't tell him.
Speaking everything and
No, 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 my last
What did I do?
wish.
I told you.
Sir, sir.
What's your last? Last wish.
Handshake.
Okay, that's the chess. As much as you think, I'm always a person who has a lot of respect even to the culprit. Rest in jail and rest in peace.
Had a gift.
Yeah.
Had a gift. Don't forget this pen.
Pen.
Yeah. This is.
That could be given to one of the judges because they are writing the verdict.
You're my friend. Don't forget me. In life.
Yes. Okay.
This is. Pen come knife.
So this is what is justice delayed. This is what called as justice delayed, but not justice denied. So this is Officer Kavin Raj. என்ன பண்ணுப்பா? இல்ல அவன் ஒரு புத்தகம் மட்டும் வச்சிருந்தா நான் வாங்கிட்டு போடணும்.
புரா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நல்லா இல்ல.
பிளான் பண்ணிக்கோ.
இவா வேற
ஏய் இல்லடா இங்க வா. நீ வேணா பிடிக்கணும் சார்.
வசன் எழுத்து தூக்குடா. வசன் கையை தூக்குடா.
ஜம்பிங் கூட. நீனா அப்படி குறுக்க வர. அப்போ வந்து இந்த கையை தட்டி சும்மா ஒரு மைல்ட் ஆக்ஷன் வரும். மைல்ட் ஆக்ஷன் வரும். தட்டி விட்டுட்டு போய் இப்படி கை புரியுங்க.
புரியுது ஓகே சார்.
இப்படி தட்டுற.
அப்படியே ஃப்ளைங்ல
இப்படி இப்படி தட்டுற. தட்டி கை வச்சுட்டு அப்படி ஜம்ப் பண்ணி செஸ் பண்ணி
சரி
நீ ஜம்ப் பண்ணும்போது அவனுக்கு அப்படி தட்டி தட்டி
அப்படியே பாருங்க. சரியா
ஜம்ப் பண்ணுவான் ஜம்ப் பண்ணும்போது டக்கு டக்கு சுடு அப்படி சுடு நான் எஃபெக்ட் கொடுத்துக்கிறேன்
He just stabbed. Sir, he just stabbed.
வீடியோ பாரு நான் ஸ்பேஸ் இருக்கு 1.5 minutes
5 minutes left. 5 minutes left.
Play it.
What is it? Just okay, right. As much as I respect the court, I also respect the culprit because sometimes they become completely changed after the verdict is being given. So your verdict is being given, you look at that. What is it?
This is fine gift from me.
A pen. You could be giving this one to the judges because they are writing the verdict. So
You're my friend. Nice meeting you.
me,
Please have this.
Mr. Jagani
Last
says,
wish. Thank you for it.
Mr. Jagani says something. Right? Okay. So thank you so much.
Kill him, sir.
This is called as justice delayed but not denied. Sura Raghunath.
I didn't say anything. Don't tell me.
You're Sudra.
Go to jail, man. Go to jail.
Take 3.
Take 3.
Raghunath is replacing Kavin Raj.
வெள்ள விடுடா. அது மட்டும் போச்சா?
Confirm அவனுக்கு அடிச்சு.
ஹரி நீங்க உட்கார்ந்தீங்கன்னா தான் தெரியும் சொன்னா கேளுங்க.
வாங்க சுடே சீக்கிரம் வாங்கடா.
ஏய் அவங்கிட்ட இருந்து உனக்கு கட்டாயம் அடி விழுமா அவன் ஆறு
சுட்ரா
போனாலும்
சுட்ரா
அடிச்சு
சுட்ருக்கு அடிக்கிற வித்தியாசம் இருக்கு.
3, 2, 1 go. As much as I
Hey, come in.
the court, I always respect the culprits because after the verdict is being given, they will change all of a sudden. Okay?
Nice meeting you.
Get a good life. Get a good life.
Come on.
What is this? This could be a pen and that could be given to a judge because they are writing the verdict, not from
You're
me.
my real friend. Nice to meet you.
Real friend? A diabetes patient's real friend. Okay. This is what they call justice delayed but not denied.
Okay, how can I? Justin, all the don't take it.
I did not listen to it.
The sad picture.
If it hadn't been for him, you would have been killed.
Officer Kavin Raj, take care of this dead body, please.
Sir, can you play?
Here, dead body.
Ah!